Good morning. So, I have been feeling like making a 1960s like sheath dress, something simple, good for like when it's warm. I do want to do the sleeves because I feel more comfortable in sleeves, but this is what I want to make. These are patterns. I'll show you patterns that I took into consideration. I think I'm going to go with this one, but I also did consider this one. It's kind of cute. This one, I wish I could find fabric like this strawberry one. If anyone knows anything like this fabric, let me know. And then this one just seems like a really nice classic dress. But this is the one I think I'm going to try. Now, contenders for fabric. I don't know how much fabric I have of these left, but they're the biggest chunks I see, I think. And I might have enough fabric to make it. I think this should take, here, let me take this out. Let's see, so size 18 should take under 3 yards. So, let's see which one I can use. I think this one might look the best fabric-wise for the era, but I do like darker colors. I think they're a little bit more flattering, plus I do know that this fabric is a little see-through. So I might see if I have enough of this one. Okay, so I think we have enough of this fabric. I must have at least 3 yards here, I think. So, let's pull the pieces out and see if they'll fit. By the way, this one has a 40-inch bust. My bust size is generally between 38 inches and 40 inches, so this should fit. I don't want it to be like super tight. I just want it to be like a cute little, I don't know, simple dress. Should be really easy to make as well. There's not many pattern pieces. All right, I'm gonna pull pieces out now. All right, so it does look like this pattern has been used before. What I am going to do, I'm gonna finish cutting out the edges on the lines because they're not like fully, it's cut it on this edge, but this side, I think they must have given themselves more room in the bottom or something, I don't know. But anyways, I do need to shorten this pattern because if you have watched any of my sewing videos, I am extremely short. This dress, even though it shows on the photo of it coming just above the knees, I hold up these pattern pieces to myself and it's ankle length on me because I am only like 5'1". I am very short. So I need to shorten this by, I don't know, at least 4 inches, maybe 5. We'll see. So for that, I'm just going to like fold the pattern piece up to get rid of that length. But yeah, I want it to be a shorter dress. So I'm going to finish pulling pieces out and taking a look at them. Okay, awesome. So it does look like all of the pieces are here. We have the front and the back. We have neck facings. There's the other one. We have neck facings. We have armhole facings, which I probably won't use that. And we have a sleeve pattern. I'll probably make the sleeve just a tad longer. I want it to be more like to my elbow because that's what I'm more comfortable with. But I am going to get started. Okay, so I have the length pinned up. Where it is now, it should go just below my knee, and then with hemming, I think it should hopefully be perfect. So, I've just clipped the fold up to hold the paper in place, and I feel like this might be the least damaging way to do this for, well, at least for what I'm doing. So I'm going to start cutting out the front and the back. I will cut them out on the fold. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna cut out the main body pieces and then I'll try to figure out the smaller pieces with whatever is left over.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no
Okay, I think it's about time I iron this. I didn't feel like ironing the fabric beforehand, but I think I should iron them before I start sewing. But this is the back piece. It's all cut in one piece on the fold. So I have a dart at the center, well, not like the side back area, and then a dart at the shoulder for the back piece. And then for the front piece, there's this diagonal dart that goes from like just above the hip kind of area all the way up to a bust point, and then there's a side dart here for the front as well. Okay, so this fabric isn't stretchy, and I was just thinking I might have to put a zipper in the center back, but maybe I can get away with it. I mean, this is towards the larger size of like a 40-inch bust, so I think I might be able to put it on over my head, but I guess we'll have to see. Alright, so I ironed my fabric, and now it's time to start pinning. I've got my pin cushion here, and I'm just going to make these points meet, pin it, and then get all of these darts pinned so I can sew them.
In the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too.
Okay, so I just finished pinning the front and the back together. Hi, Tilly. You're being all hyper. Silly girl. Okay. So I have it all pinned together. After I sew it, I'm going to iron it, but first I need to, I want to sew it. So I pinned it together at the sides. It'll look better once I iron these darts down, but I'm going to sew the shoulder seams and the side seams. This is a really easy, quick dress. I think I can finish it today. Started this morning. It's 11 a.m. right now. I just need to sew these two sides and the shoulders, and then I'm going to iron it. I'll probably zigzag stitch along the edges to keep them from fraying, because this is just like a basic quilting cotton. I think I'll be able to put it on over my head without a zipper, which would also be nice because it also makes the process quicker. I'm going to get sewing now. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting it to turn out this cute. I just tried it on. It is so cute and flattering. I think sometimes I'm a little nervous about slimmer silhouette dresses on my body type because I have a large bust, large hips. Sometimes like form-fitting stuff I don't think is the most attractive on me. But this is so cute. This is going to be my to-go dress pattern. I want to make a couple summer dresses out of this pattern to wear while it's warm. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. But I'm going to do the sleeves first. I'm going to work on sleeves. I did make the neck hole just a little bit bigger because I felt like it was kind of tight. It does fit over my head just fine, no zipper. This is like the super easiest dress ever. Plus it doesn't take a lot of material, which is really nice. Okay, I'm gonna cut out the sleeves, put those on, and then I'll have to finish up edgings and everything, and my dress will be done pretty quickly. Okay, I'm gonna work on the sleeves now. Okay, so I'm considering, I have plenty of material to do this, but I'm actually considering making the sleeves long. I think that might be cute. I really like long sleeve dresses, so I might measure my arm to see how long it is from like the top to the wrist and form a long sleeve.
I guess it would be myself, only me. No one can guess what I came there to see. Laid under the willow tree, the last weekend of summer. The empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had. Come tend the garden with me. We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Well, we spent the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly stoned. Till you liked everything but the likes of me, I can't help but recall. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started.
Come here.
Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted.
Thanks.
West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore.
Okay, so I'm just finishing up editing this video, and I'm really happy with how this dress turned out. It is so cute, and I want to make more 1960s things now because I think it's really adorable. And I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Come tend the